Hello, howdy, welcome back to my channel. Here I am in a lovely environment right now. It feels very good and I can feel the oxygen. So I will show you some solutions for a technical problem and I think it will help you. And if it does, please consider subscribing to my channel and support me like that. See you. Thank you for watching the video. Did the solution help you? If it was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate your support. See you later again. Bye.